Hey, what's going on guys, Dragon Slayer 123 here. Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Adopt Me. Before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that little bell to turn on notification to notify every time I upload a new video. If you read the title, yeah, I'm going to make my first ever flying rideable neon. Flying rideable neon. Yeah. And another thing, if you are wondering why I haven't upload for so long, check out my last video. That will tell you everything why I haven't upload for I don't remember how long, but it's so very long. But today I'm going to try and make a neon. Well, if this video is out, so I did it. I make a neon. Another thing, if this my ginger cat is nearly at max, so this probably going to be a short video. And this is kind of a tutorial video how to make a neon that people out there don't know how to make a neon. Also, don't mind it, this is just my sister's account. I need her account to teleport around faster. Okay, now let me pick it up. Let me see here. Sleep, eat food, and okay, let me go to the nursery or the hospital, whatever it's called. Let me grab my hoverboard. Oh yeah, you remember my last Adopt Me video? Oh yeah, that is literally a long time ago, but I didn't have a lot of pets and all that. Look at me now, I have a hoverboard, a race car, and my pets is kind of good, I guess. I can make a neon. Okay, let me get this. Okay. Oh yeah, another thing, make sure to comment down below if you want me to play a more Adopt Me. Maybe I show tips and tricks. I don't know, up to you guys, because I really like playing Adopt Me. Oh yeah, another thing why I haven't played and upload Adopt Me for a long time, because I've been grinding and I got bored of Adopt Me for a couple weeks, and then I got back in, and then I guess I can tell you the story when I wait for my ginger cat to fully grown. One day when I get back to Adopt Me, I just randomly opened an egg, and then I got a unicorn. Yeah, lucky, right? And then I traded it for a golden penguin, and then traded again. Trade, and then I got this little guy. He's so cute. Look at him. Look at his adorable face. I really hope I can trade, or I don't know, somehow get another pet from the ginger cat. I'm not too sure. Am I going to trade this away or no? I'm going to keep it for a while. So yeah, and trade disabled. I don't exactly know why, but it's disabled for some reason. Okay, come on. Oh, it's so close. Literally that is little bit more, and then I will be golden. Okay, it's night time again. Oh, that was a miss. So I'm able to get two. Whatever. Okay, let's do this. A video about upgrading this ginger cat away for something else. I don't know. Just tell me. I need some ideas. Okay, let me teleport back to my house because this cat need a shower soon. Okay, let me go family and teleport to my sister's account. Oh yeah, this is another thing. If you want to get quick teleport to your house, just grab another device, your computer, your PC, whatever, even your mobile phone, and take any account, your sister account, or create an alt account, just so you can do this. Okay. Oh, it's just still on. Oops. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, you're so close. Look at that. Just a little. I don't know what to call it, but it's so little. Little bar right there. Come on. Then when I wait, I guess I can. What should I do? I can show you a bit of my inventory, but nothing changed much. Pets. Oh yeah, here's my flying ginger cat right here. I will make that into a neon today. I can make this into a neon state. That is your little vehicle I have. Oh, it's hungry. Oh, it's maybe. Come on. Yes! Yes! I can make a neon! Let's go! Okay, let's do this. Come on. Something. Okay, let me go make this cat into a neon. Finally, I can get a flying rideable neon. My first ever flying rideable neon. Before I have a flying and a rideable golden penguin, but I hate that away because don't ask me why. I don't know if even it's a good trade. I asked my cousin, is it a good trade? He said yes, but I'm not that good at trading. Oh yeah, it's under the bridge. I forgot. I think it's under this bridge. Let me grab my hoverboard. Yes, right here. Yes, I'm going to make my first ever flying rideable neon. Yes, I've been waiting for a long time for this. Yes. Place pet. And then place. And oh, boom. Yes! Is it flying and rideable? Yes! Oh, I finally have one! Woo! Finally! Oh, you look so cute and cool. Yay! Finally, I have one of these. Next, a mega. That's just going to take forever for me to train, probably 2 years. Or if you guys want to, I'm not going to be like that. I'm not going to ask you guys to donate to me. But if you want to, I probably think about it. Look at my flying. Wow. Look at it. Finally I have one of these. I've been wanted a neon rideable flying for a long time. Now I finally have one. Look at it. So adorable. Look at his face. Aww. Oh Come on. Of course, too very good. Of course, too very good. Oops, I did not mean to press that. Of course. Yeah, of course, too good. Well then, I'm going to feed it. Oh, so adorable. Finally have a neon rideable flying. Okay, eat. It's probably, I think, the cutest pet I ever have. The ginger cat. Well, I guess the goal is complete. I guess at that note, I have my neon. Well, I guess that this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess it's my first ever neon rideable pet. And hopefully this video helps you, like, I don't know, if you want, I guess, more dog me, comment down below and hit that like button. And hopefully this video helps, like, if you don't know how to make a neon, here you go. At that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Make sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe, and also join my Discord server, link in the description down below. Okay, anyways, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys all next time. Peace out and stay awesome.